Hi guys!
Hi.
Welcome to today's YouTube video. As you could tell by the title, come on. I had her do one job. Write her name on a piece of paper. She got mine right.
No.
Welcome to the sister tag. The one that cannot do anything right.
Good enough. No, don't.
We have to have it the same.
No, I mean, I'll do it. You don't want your handwriting?
No, I don't. Who has the worst handwriting? Me. For sure. As you could tell by today's title, it's the sister tag, I guess I'm gonna call it. Girl, you have one job.
Oh my god, what the hell is that?
Who's the more mature one?
Me. What?
It's an upside down B. Come on, girl.
I'm good. I'm ready for business. I can make it bubbly.
Rebecca, you're supposed to make the same. Come on, you have one job.
Bro.
I can't.
I got this.
My patience is already exiting. Each of us wrote down 10 questions on our phone. Well, I wrote down 10. She did 9. And I'm not sure what she wrote down, and she's not sure what I wrote down. It's kind of a surprise. So as soon as she's done with this, we can start. It might be tomorrow.
Beautiful.
Okay. This is what it's going to be. I'm going to start... Well, I was going to start with an easy one, so you guys will know that I'm Victoria. Obviously, she's Rebecca. So the first question I have is, who is the oldest? Because everybody gets confused. Oh, you can't see. It's me. Come on. It's me, but everyone says it's her. Everyone always thinks she's the oldest sister.
Because I'm more mature.
No, she's just taller, bigger in all places.
More mature too. She's the most talented.
That was
I'm
easy.
a singer, dancer,
Songwriter. Okay. Who is more likely to go days without showering? That was easy.
Okay, she showers like 10 times a day and then yells at me if I shower once.
Yeah, I like
not
to shower.
two.
Go, it's your turn.
Oh, yeah.
I do like to shower at least 3 times a day. It's just weird if I don't. What? I'm so
Bro, your skin must be so dry.
It's nice. Look, she always compliments me on my skin.
Her hands are super soft. But it's like... Who takes longer to get ready?
That was easy. Who is the talkative sister? Yeah. You can talk. She will not shut up. I have something in my
Ever.
eye. I have something in my eye. Can you blow on it? No, on my eye. Okay, that's a little better.
Who has a tendency to run away from home?
Yeah, I was like, okay, that's a good one. It is both of us. That's why I'm like thinking, I'd say probably me because I'm never here.
Because
but
you have a car to leave.
Yeah, I have the car to leave, but I feel like both of us would. Not actually run away from home, but never be home. Like we're always out doing something.
Come back a week later.
Yeah. Oh, this is a good one. Who is the messier one?
I take full pride in this. I know where my mess is. Who is lazier?
You. If I ask her to literally
It goes both ways.
Leave here to go to my, like, down the hallway.
No,
to grab
downstairs.
something. No. If I tell you, okay, can you go to your room to grab me chapstick? See, she wouldn't
If
go
I
down
ask
the hall.
her and she's already standing up to grab me a water and she's in the kitchen, no.
That's because you wouldn't do it for me. So I don't do it for you. Who, anyways, next. Who is the favorite child?
Depends on which parent.
It's me.
Depends on the parent.
Who's dad's favorite child?
Oh wait.
Me. And you are mom's favorite child.
Who has a bigger appetite?
100%. What I will eat in one day, she'll literally eat in one sitting. And go for seconds. I don't even know how.
She doesn't eat breakfast.
I don't like breakfast. I just drink coffee and
And then
I'm
be
good.
full till 6 p.m.
Yeah. Who has better style? Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
I thought you'd say yourself.
No, you do. I'll give you that.
Thank you. Who is a better driver?
You drive like a grandma.
You drive to hit someone.
I'm just a fast driver, but you drive. And if she forgets her glasses and tries to drive, forget it. Okay, well, my memory was full, so had to fix it. And come back.
My volume and my roots are gonna have an issue.
Yeah, me too. It's really like muggy. This is kind of similar to yours, but who takes longer in the bathroom?
Well, it depends what we're doing.
Yeah,
If it's getting ready.
me. But if it's
I
her,
like to
she'll
hang out
watch.
there.
Yes, she will watch Netflix
After I
in
get
the
out of the
bathroom.
shower.
She'll get out of the shower, start watching Netflix, and
Yeah,
stay there
sit
for
on the
hours.
sink.
Like
every
uncomfortable,
night.
like so uncomfortable. I
So
don't know.
comfortable. Who is moodier?
For sure, 100%. Me too. Oh. 100%. This is kind of, I mentioned this one to you earlier. Who dated the cuter boy in school? For sure. My exes were not the cutest. At all. Sorry, guys.
Who's a better cook?
You're a better baker, though.
Yes.
I'm a better cook.
I
She's a
want
better
some
baker.
cake.
Yeah. Ooh, I am actually on my 10th question, and this is a good one. Who borrows each other's clothes
You do this on
the
purpose.
most?
Oh wait. And I'm proud of it. Work smarter, not harder. Why would I pay for it if she already has it? And she hates me for
I
it.
hate that she does that. Hate it. She takes everything of mine, and when I look for it, it's not there.
I put it back eventually. Who's funnier?
I haven't seen your answer, but I know you put yourself. You're not. You're kind of funny, but I'll give us both because you laugh.
At everything.
Yeah, you do. I'm funny too. I know I am.
Yeah.
We'll give us both. That was good. That was quick.
I don't know. I wanted to do that. No, we gotta repeat
Look.
them.
Would you like to throw this out for me?
We have a. I would love
Ah,
to.
thank you.
I
Thank
would
you
love
guys
to
for
do it.
watching.
Thank you for watching.
You know, I actually had a question. It was like, who's a YouTuber and who is more like to start a channel or something? And I would say you, even though this is my channel, but she's had a YouTube since she was like, what, 8?
Beauty
Doing
2001 9 forever.
2009 with the
No,
bright pink.
It was called
lipstick.
Beauty
Oh, look.
2001 9.
Look. Here you go. Thank you,
I
sister.
love you.
All right, guys. Thank you for watching. And I will see you next time.